Actually, Hammerspace altogether, got 5 people with another one of our members actually made.
All right. Here we have the rear engineering console and the adjacent captain's map or data screen. Communication station, complete with red alert button. We have main screen controls with forward, reverse, tactical, long range, and repair status. And our auxiliary view screen has an integrated webcam transmission system and video playing system where we display alien races and communication with our ship, and also incoming transmissions from other player ships. Here we have our Thermion nebulizer, just in case of intruders on the bridge, and our long-term storage solution, as well as various panels that are unlikely to explode in the event of a direct hit. Our main screen has chase lights, and here we have grain stored for the starving, diseased children of Zebulon 7. It would be a shame if something were to get into it. Here we have our home station with impulse speed control and warp drive control, reverse, and dock buttons and shields. The reverse activates an auditory alert to alert other ships that you are backing up.
Shields down.
Here's our tactical station, where we control the loading of various delivery packages like homing, mine, EMP, and nuclear packages, which can be delivered by loading and aggressively unloading, as well as a shield control button.
Shields engaged. Shields down.
Here we have a subspace scanner and the science station, which has useful current information as well as the ability to run glitter. The Spock viewer provides a view of the entire scanned map and zooming capability, and integrated cursor positioning device. And of course, the most important, the chair. Thank you guys for watching. This has been a project of Hammerspace Community Workshop in Brookside in Kansas City for Maker Faire 2014. I hope all you guys enjoy what we did, and if you'd like to learn more about it, please visit our website at www.hammerspacehobby.com. That's hammerspacehobby.com. Thanks so much for watching.